Hello, welcome to E.C's Workshop. Yeah, I'm going to tell you a little bit about myself. Is that I'm a machinist for 32 years. I did carpenter when I was a kid. I worked for a guy doing carpenter work on up till I was 18. I went in the service, spent my time there, come out. I didn't know what I was going to do for a year or two, kind of loafed around. Finally, I decided I'm going to go to school. So I went and got a trade, same as my dad. Dad's been doing machining since he was a little kid, or since he started 21, 20 years old. So I decided I went to school to be a machinist. Machinist 32 years. I got sick, wound up in the hospital, got real bad sick, wound up in a medicated coma for 3 months. I come out, they didn't think I was going to live too much longer, but I surprised them. Here it is, it's been 12 years now since that day, and it took me a long trip to get here. I was about bedridden when I come home for 2 years. Then I had reconstructed surgery. And then I was still bedridden another year, two. I think about 2 years, another 2 years, a year and a half, 2 years. And I finally got feeling bad, feeling sorry for myself, and I said, this is crap. I'm going to get up. I'm going to force myself to do something if it kills me. So I got up, started forcing myself, eating right, taking a lot of vitamins, drinking a lot of protein, and then here I am today. I still can't do too much. I come out here in the shop, filter around. I may be able to go maybe 3 hours. 3 to 4 hours, being on my feet, moving around, doing something. And I'll start feeling bad, and then usually I go back and sit down. That's the reason why some of my videos take so long to get online, or there's so many of them, because I only work on something for 2 to 3 hours, and then I quit. I got COPD, and diabetes from all the surgeries and stuff. So this is what I do, and it's just a little hobby. It's nothing major. I don't do a lot of work. I just filter around. And like I said, it takes me a while to do something. That's like this fishing thing. The fishing thing I was working on. It's taken me a week now to do this little thing. Because, like I said, can't work out. I can't stand out here and just stay going for so long. It's like some other videos. There's one video where I did redone the lathe. It took me a month just to do the videos on that. Then I had to sit down, piece them all together, and take this out, add this, add that. So, to all my subscribers, that's me. And I hope you stay online, stay with me, follow me along, because this is the way I am. I mean, I just don't know. I may get better. I'm 62 now. Well, 61 now. And so I do what I can do and have fun doing it, because I enjoy this work. So catch y'all later. Y'all be good. And God bless you.